Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I think first thing I'll do is take my second batch of microphones and plug them in. Even though this charger is a little wonky, it won't help much with the phone anymore. It's perfect for these. Okay, so you would think maybe we're doing Amiga things, but we're not. I was out at the store, and indeed I found a 9-volt battery. And if you've been watching, you know what this is for. So I will yank it open. I will set this aside. Oh dear, don't knock things. I will set this aside. Is this all wrapped up and stuff? It is not. So now I will reach over here and I will pull out this lovely boxed Commodore solid-state calculator. Looks much the same on that side too. And it is in the box. I will be very careful. The box is quite lovely. And I will open it with great care. And the calculator is still wrapped up in plastic. And a little manual, which is similar to the size of the manual that probably came with a pet computer. It's right there. So I'll set that down with great care. I will take this out of the bag and I will open it up. And indeed, if we look inside, we see wires that look like a 9-volt battery would be quite appropriate. Now I know this has a recharging capability, but I'm not going to be doing any of that. Alright, so firstly, we're in the off position. I do believe when I communicated with the person about this, and I did find it on a somewhat local, but not terribly local thing, they said it worked. So I'm going to put the battery in very carefully, because this plastic is now like probably 50 years old. Very carefully slide. There it is. So you will know before I suspect. I will flip it on. Oh, look, I see a little 0. It's magic. And it's in grand shape. So the 9 times equals times equals. And then of course we'll end up with an error. But clear. Let's do 99 divided by 9 equals 11. Imagine. So it's a very simple calculator. And then it has not many functions, not many buttons. It has the numbers, seems to have a memory function, and then of course multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. And I think there's an equal there. What else do we have? Yep, multiplication, division, subtraction, plus equals, and of course clear. I'm going to put something supposedly in memory. And then I'm going to say 5 times, and then I'm going to do memory equals, and it comes up with nothing. Interesting. Let's try that again. 9 plus, what else has a percent? I'm not sure how the memory thing works, because it certainly didn't. There. 99,999. Memory, and then it goes to 0. Well, I am somewhat fascinated. It must have an awful lot of RAM in there. Overflow interpreter model. Clearing and erasing. Clear, yes, of course, clear. The floating decimal. Introduction. Plus minus multiplication, division. Floating decimal is one that automatically floats into its proper position. I see. Okay, I want to know about the memory. Clearing and erasing. C key on your machine is to clear. Serves two important functions. If pressed twice, it clears the entire machine. To prepare for a new example, if during an example you have entered an incorrect number, you may erase that entry by pressing C key once immediately after the error is made. Good. Let me see. All right. Overflow interpretation. The overflow indicator E will appear when the display capacity of the calculator is exceeded. To change the role of multiplier, press CC 24X. I see. Command calculator to set up decimal correct percentage and prepare for the markup or discount. Okay. Okay. Press CC 220 multiplied by 5% equals. Cool. Alright. I have been reading the manual. Perhaps on the backside I will find something. Disposable battery model. AC operation. Battery charging. Reciprocal. Memory models. Aha. The memory is used to accumulate totals. So, alright, let's try something here. You're on 99 times 2 equals memory. Aha. And then, so I want to do 8 times 3 equals memory. The memory is used to accumulate totals. Let's try this. Clear. 8.50 times 3 equals, and then we put 25.5, and then we press memory. Then we go 2.53 times 8 plus memory equals, memory, and then 3.82 times 6 plus memory equals, look at that. Alright, so you have to add something to the memory. It does say in the example here that I should have got $68.66. And I did. Let's see here. No, I don't think this has a square. No. This does not have. Okay. We're going to clear. Memory. Oh, memory still has something there. Clear. Memory. Clear. Memory still has something. Oh. Memory still has something. Memory still has something. How do I clear the memory? There we do minus memory. Oh, it's still got something there. Well, maybe I just turn it off. Alright, so let's say we have 99 plus 5 equals plus memory. Doesn't do it. Aha, okay. 99 plus... Oh. Clear. Nothing in memory. 99 plus 5 equals memory. 56 plus 469 plus memory equals... Oh yeah, it works. Cool. A very neat little calculator. Now, should I leave the battery in it? Well, for the moment, I will. I will not seek any recharger. I will not. Serial number 193296, model 776M. Made in USA. And there it is. A cute and functional Commodore Calculator. Lovely. Alright. So, guarantee. Your new electronic calculator carries the parts and labor guarantee for 1 year from date of purchase. We reserve the right to repair a damaged component, replace it entirely, or if necessary, exchange your machine. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm going to very careful. Oh, we got it off. Put it back in the little wee bag. Fold it over. Put the instructions on the back. And slide it in. And there we have it. Just like it would have come from the factory. Probably about 50 years ago. Imagine. Still going strong. Anyway. Thanks for coming. I think, indeed, next time there's more Amiga things to go through here. I think there are. Anyway, have a lovely day. From the box room, David Bradley, signing off.